Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 951 regions cut by slashes, and this n cross n grid is composed of 1 cross 1 squares where each 1 cross 1 square consists of either a forward slash or a backslash or blank space. And these characters divide the square into contiguous regions, and we'll be given the grid represented as a string array, and we have to return the number of regions. And note that a backslash characters are escaped, so double backslash, so a backslash mean is represented as a two backslashes basically. Okay, so for example, if we are having grid as this particular and then this like a space, then a forward slash, then again a forward slash and a space, so it basically means that there are two regions in which it separates. But if we'll see in the next, so consider that this is a 1 cross 1 square, and it basically divides it, the line is present at this place, so it doesn't divide the square into any region, so it's just a one region. Okay, and we have to return the total number of regions which we'll be having after this. Okay, so firstly let's have the n variable that is of size grid dot length, and let's initialize a dp array of which is a 2D dp array of size n sorry uh, just a second, yeah, new int of size n cross 3 into n cross 3. Okay, now let's fill this dp array for int uh, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Then we'll be checking that if grid I dot char at j is equal to a front forward slash, I guess this is the forward slash only, so in that case we'll be updating the dp of I in cross 3 with j into 3 plus 2, that will be equal to dp of I cross 3 plus 1 into j cross 3 plus 1. Okay, and also again along with dp of I cross 3 I into 3 plus 2 plus 2 along with j cross 3, that will be equal to 1. Else that means that it is a backslash, or you can also check it that if uh, grid I dot char at j is equal to two backslashes, so in that case we'll be updating again the dp of I into 3 j into 3. Basically these are the indexes. Let's we are considering the dpr as a square and we are updating its indexes, so that will be equal to dp of I cross 3 plus 1 j cross 3 plus 1, which will be equal to dp of I cross 3 plus 2 along with j cross 3 plus 2. So in this case it will be also equal to 1. Okay, now we'll be finding the bounded regions, so let's have a variable answer variable that is 0 initially, and then for int I equal to 0, I less than n into 3, I plus plus. Then again for int j equal to 0, j less than n into 3, j plus plus. We'll be checking answer will be equal to, let's have a function dfs, so in this we'll be passing dp I and j. So if that comes out to be greater than 0, so it means that it divides it into one more region, so we'll be adding 1, otherwise we'll be adding 0, and at the end we'll return answer. Okay, now let's quickly write this function, that is private int dfs, and this we are having the dp array int dp int I along with int j. Okay, so we'll be saying that if minimum of either is less than 0 comma j is less than 0, or maximum of these I comma j is greater than or equal to the length of the dp, or dp of I j is not equal to a 0, in that case we'll be returning 0. Else we'll be updating dp of I j will be 1, and we'll be returning the function as return dfs along with the dp array dp, the four directions that are let's okay, in this case I'll be just doing it in the natural way. I plus 1 comma j plus dp dfs with dp I minus 1 comma j plus dfs dp I comma j plus 1 plus dfs dp comma I comma j minus 1, all the four directions. Okay, now let's give it a run. Okay, so I got a wrong answer. Expected output is 0. I guess I missed something. Oh, sorry, here it should be 1 plus as well. Oh, sorry, my bad. I forgot to add a 1, which is 1 plus. Well, firstly, let's just add. Okay. Okay, 1 plus. Then again a 1 plus 1 plus. Okay, now let's give it a run again. Yeah, and yeah, okay, so I made a blunder here. It should be only dfs, and the 1 plus should not be with the every call because okay, now let's give it a run again, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.